Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's begin. First, I'm going to use MAC Fix Plus. This is a limited edition one. It has some bronze shimmering. It's really nice for the summertime. Next, I'm going to use a Tatcha Silk Canvas, I think it's called. Yes, it is. This is the original one. I'm gonna prime my skin with this. It's really beautiful. It makes your skin so smooth, and I can skip all my skincare and use just this one before my makeup. Next, I'm going to use my all-time favorite foundation. This is NARS. This is the Radiant Foundation. It is so beautiful, you guys. It is one of those foundations that are effortless. They blend seamlessly. They blend into your skin, and they look really, really good. Like, it gives you that beautiful coverage with a luminous finish. I love this foundation. And I'm gonna list all the foundation shades and everything down below. Next, I'm gonna use Sunkissed by Nude Sticks. This is a bronzer. You can use it as a blush if you like, but I'm gonna warm up my skin a little bit because my face is a little bit lighter than my skin at the moment. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do that. This bronzer, you guys, it blends so nicely on the skin. I don't have to work hard to do anything. It just blends into your skin. It's just so good. I love Nude Sticks products. They're creamy, they blend well, and they last all day on your face. Next, I'm going to use BH Cosmetics concealer. This is new to me. This is in the shade 106, I believe. This is full coverage. It lasts all day on your skin. It doesn't crease at all. And I'm just using Real Techniques sponge to blend it out. People were comparing this to Shape Tape concealer. It is close, but I think I love the Tarte one better. Next, I'm going to set my concealer in place with One Size translucent setting powder. This is by Patrick Starrr, and I'm just going to set where I applied my concealer. Use this palette. I will list all the names and shades, everything down below. I got this one in my BoxyCharm. I've never heard of this brand before, but you guys, it's really, really good. I love the bronzer that I applied, and it's just so perfect, and it has another deeper shade if you like, and everything in this palette is so beautiful. The blushes, the highlights, everything. It's a stunning palette. Next, I'm gonna set my face with this Tarte Maracuja setting spray. I love the mist of this Maracuja setting spray. It's really, really good. Next, I'm just going to plump my lips. This is Too Faced Extreme Lip Plumper. Next, I'm using Ofra Cosmetics. This is my first time using Ofra. I've never had one, but I've got it in my BoxyCharm. This is Good to Go palette, and this highlight, you guys, can you see that? Like, it is so gorgeous. It's so blinding. I really enjoyed this palette so much. Yes, it is very, very pigmented. And I'm using that blush from the same palette, and it's just a beautiful rosy tone color. It has a little bit of it's more like on the pinky side with a hint of peach, I believe. Like, it's so pretty. I've had this one in my drawers for a while now. It's my first time using it. Next, I'm using Violet Voss palette. This is All of You, and I'm going for this olive tone color today. This palette just inspired me, so it's called All of You Forever. I'm just going to dip into the Ofra palette, and I'm just going to get that beautiful crease color. It has an orange shift to it. It's really pretty and warm. I like to use these colors with olive colors on the lid. So I'm going back to the Violet Voss palette. I'm going to pick up that shade with the same brush, and I'm just going to apply it in the crease just to deepen the crease a little bit more. It is such a beautiful palette. They blend really nicely. The mattes work so beautiful on the lid. They're like, you don't have to work hard to blend them. I do enjoy this palette so much. I'm gonna take that deep brown shade, and I'm just gonna apply it in the outer corner of my eyes, just to kind of give me some depth before I apply anything on the lid. And with the same blending brush, this is just a tinier one than the first one, and I'm just gonna blend that deeper shade into the inner corner. Next, I'm gonna pick up that beautiful olive shade. It's shimmery, and I'm just gonna apply it on the lid. I was gonna use my fingers, but I found this brush. It came in my BoxyCharm as well, and I'm just gonna apply it with it, and it worked really beautifully. I usually pick up my shimmer shades with my finger. I'm going to blend everything with the same blending brush just to kind of give me that seamless look. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of that black shade, and I'm just gonna apply it in the outer corner as well, not too much. Here I'm just trying another shade on the lid just to see how it goes, and I'm just applying it in the middle of my lid for a pop of color. Next, I'm gonna pick up this shade. It's a beautiful minty color from the Ofra palette, and I'm just gonna apply it in the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm gonna take that beautiful vanilla shade color from the Violet Voss palette, and I'm just gonna apply it in the inner corner as well, so they don't look too green or minty. I'm gonna apply that shade in the bottom lash line just to kind of give me that smoky effect. And I'm gonna go back with the same brush to pick up another olive shade from the palette, and I'm just gonna apply it again in the lower lash line. And I'm just gonna take that minty shade from the Ofra palette and apply it again on the lid. It looks so stunning. This is a lip liner from Real Her. I'll list the shades down below, and I'm just gonna line up my lips. It has a beautiful warm brown color. I'll apply Coral Bliss from MAC, and I'm gonna take Myth by MAC as well on top of it, just to give me that nude look. Just applied my lashes here. These are old lashes that I cut in half, and I'm just using them. That's what I did. In here, I'm just using Jouer brow pencil, and I'm just going to fill in my brows quickly, and that's it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.